Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2005 GMC Sierra. Stock number is 18G595A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end, you have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise and audio controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player and a tape deck, and your dual climate is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.